To analyze Best Places state comparison, start by understanding the purpose of the tool, which is to provide a comprehensive comparison of different states in the United States based on various factors such as cost of living, education, healthcare, and crime rates. First, identify the states you want to compare. This could be based on personal preference, job opportunities, or other factors. Then, visit the Best Places website and select the states you want to compare from the drop-down menu. The comparison tool will provide an overall score for each state based on several categories, including economy, education, healthcare, and quality of life. Look for the state with the highest overall score, as it is likely to be the best place to live based on your criteria. Next, analyze the individual categories, such as cost of living, commute time, and crime rates. This will give you a more detailed understanding of each state's strengths and weaknesses. For example, if you prioritize a low cost of living, look for the state with the lowest cost of living index. It is also important to consider the weight of each category, as some factors may be more important to you than others. You can adjust the weights to reflect your personal priorities and recalculate the scores. When interpreting the results, consider the methodology used by Best Places, which is based on data from credible sources such as the U.S. Census Bureau and the FBI. Keep in mind that the comparison is only as good as the data, so it is essential to verify the information with other sources. Finally, use the analysis to make an informed decision about which state is the best fit for you. Consider factors such as job opportunities, climate, and cultural amenities, in addition to the data provided by Best Places. By following these steps, you can use the Best Places state comparison tool to make a data-driven decision about where to live and find the best place to call home. Best Places provides a valuable resource for anyone looking to compare states and make an informed decision about where to live.